Today I'm going to show you how to make a great sounding recording using your Nomono Sound Capsule. Let's get started. First, I'll simply take the lid off of the charging case to reveal the devices: the space recorder, 4 stellar mics, and the charging case. On the space recorder display, we can see the status of all these devices. In the bottom left, we have the workspace. This is the location within Nomono Cloud to which your recordings will be wirelessly uploaded. On the left side, we have the sound capsule name, and above that we have the local storage. This is the amount of memory available on the sound capsule for new recordings. First thing I'm going to do is remove the space recorder from the charging case. Next, we need to undock at least one of the 4 stellar mics. You should use 1 stellar mic per speaker in your recording. So I'm going to take this orange one. We can now see both devices are at the top of the device list on the display, indicating that they are ready to record. This is also mirrored on the Nomono companion app. This acts as a remote control to your sound capsule, as well as offering various different sound capsule settings. Now that we have the devices undocked and ready, it's time to position the stellar mic. We recommend placing the stellar mic in the center of the speaker's chest, using either the clip or the magnetic attachment. Try to avoid placing the microphone around loose clothing or too close to the speaker's neck. Ensure that the microphone is facing the speaker's mouth. Now that we have the stellar mic positioned and the space recorder is undocked, we're ready to go. I'm going to press record using the companion app, but you could also press record on the space recorder itself. There we go, now we're recording, and you can see the 2 undocked devices are now coloured red. This indicates that they are currently recording. And we can now see the record timer in the top right. So there you have it. That's how to make a great sounding recording with the Nomono Sound Capsule. But now that we're done, what's next? Well, I'm going to stop this recording. Right now, the data from the stellar mic is being transferred to the space recorder, which then uploads that to Nomono Cloud. In Nomono Cloud, you can find the recordings you've just created, download them, edit them, and use our magical enhancement. I hope you found this video on how to create great sounding recordings using your Nomono Sound Capsule to be helpful. For more videos like this, follow us or subscribe to our channel. Thanks.